Perfect. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing the most awaited, most awaited. Isa to sa mga pinaka-requested video sa channel ko. This is the 500 peso makeup challenge. Let me tell you guys, it was so challenging. I remember doing this challenge before and I was using a brush. Pero pinanood ko yung mga 500 peso makeup challenge ng mga co-YouTubers ko dito sa Philippines. And hindi sila gumagamit ng brushes. So I was like, okay. So I think I'm not allowed to use brushes anymore. I mean, you know, I am, but it should be within the 500 budget, and that's impossible. Anyway, this is the look that I came up with. Yeah, if you wanna see how I did this makeup look, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a BB cream. I'm using the Iwhite BB Holic Everyday BB Cream. This one is only 24.50, so pasok na pasok sa 500 peso budget natin. I will just use my fingers kasi nga, as I mentioned, wala akong brush na pasok sa budget ko. So, fingers will do, and okay na okay naman kapag fingers yung gamit mo dito sa BB cream na to. So, no problem at all. And then sa under eyes ko, I decided to add one more thin layer of the BB cream just to add a little bit more coverage. I do have a review on this BB Holic Everyday BB Cream, so if you're interested to see that, I will leave the link of that review video below. And then for the powder, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline powder. Complete list of the products will be below, including their prices. But yeah, I'm just gonna use the sponge that comes with the powder. I'm so glad na itong powder na to mayroong sponge kasi kapag wala, I'm screwed. But yeah, I'm just using that, and I am applying more powder on my under eyes again para ma-highlight and para more coverage sa under eyes ko. And also, I'm kind of doing the, like, you know, baking technique, but not really. Parang pinatagal ko lang ng konti yung powder sa under eyes ko, tapos i-blend ko siya later na. This powder is 99 pesos, I believe. For my eyebrows naman, I'm gonna be using the Ever Original Liner. This is from Bilena. I got this for only 89 pesos, and I'm just applying this on my eyebrows. And then, since the shade of this eyebrow color is kind of off, konti lang naman, I decided to put eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow from the Nichido palette that I'm gonna be using in this video as well onto my brow. And I'm so glad na this eyeshadow palette is merong ganitong klaseng brush. Though, I need to kind of parang ipit it a bit para mag-fit siya ng maayos sa shape ng brows ko. So, I'm just doing that, and it actually works fine. And then, I went back to my Iwhite BB Holic and applied it on my lids just for it to act as a primer. Before I proceed to the eyeshadow, I'm going to blend my under eyes using the sponge again from the Maybelline powder. I'm just going to use the same liner that we used on the brows earlier and just apply it on my eyelids like so. And then now onto the eyeshadows. I'm gonna be using this Nichido eyeshadow palette. I got this for only 100 pesos together with the lipstick that I'm gonna be using in this video as well. And apply this kind of brownish, reddish, like super konting hint ng red lang na shade ng eyeshadow na to, and apply it on my lids like so. And I am going to blend it using this brush that I used on the brows earlier. Just make sure na well blended siya. And then I will go ahead and clean the brush. So parang brush ko lang siya dyan sa kamay ko just to make sure na hindi na ganun ka-harsh yung color niya. Parang nawala na yung previous eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to continue and blend my eyeshadow para wala tayong harsh na eyeshadow tingnan. And then I am going to highlight my inner corner using this kind of like champagne, really light champagne shadow. And I'm just using my pinky to apply the highlighter on the inner corners of my eye as well as on my brow bone. And then going back to the brown liner, I am lining the lower lash line. Like, I'm not lining it all the way to the inner corner. And then after that, I'm gonna take my Sansan eyeliner pen. This is 98 pesos. I am just lining my eyes. Hindi ako nag-create ng bonggang-bonggang wing, as in sobrang simple lang ng eyeliner na to. But after that, I'm gonna apply my mascara. I'm gonna be using this Aido Mascara. This is only 50 pesos. And you guys, I actually really like this mascara. Gusto ko yung formula niya, as in parang hindi siya ganun ka-watery. The formula reminds me of the Maybelline Falsies mascara. But yeah, for 50 pesos mascara, I really like it. And gusto ko din na maliit yung wand niya. Perfect siya panglagay sa bottom lashes. And I'm just applying 2 layers of mascara on my upper lashes. And onto the blush, I am using again the sponge that came with a powder. Just make sure na tapos na yung powder job mo before ka mag-apply ng blush. Kasi of course, mas-stain na siya ng blush. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this blush that came with the eyeshadow palette. Bongga siya kasi meron din siyang dalawang shade ng blush. And then last but not the least is the lipstick. Again, I mentioned ko na this came with the Nichido eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I'm just using my pinky to apply the lipstick lightly on my lips, and I'm concentrating on the middle part of my lips para meron siyang parang gradient na ganap. But yeah, that's basically it for this makeup look. So overall, yung total ko is 460.50 pesos if yung Maybelline powder is 99 and if the ever original brown liner is 89 pesos. Pero if it is more expensive than that, then I still have 39.50 left. So I'm pretty sure pasok na pasok pa din ako sa budget. And that's basically it. Again, it was so challenging, but I did it. And yeah, feeling ko naman na-achieve ko naman yung look na gusto ko with just the 500 pesos. So that's good. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I will see you on my next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye.